Today I'm going to explain you chapter number 21, Food and Fun. Aims and objectives. To make the students understand that no work should be regarded as dirty or low. To know about Gurudwara. To know about Langar. In this chapter, you are also going to know about boarding school. Tring tring, the doorbell rang. Manpreet opened the door when doorbell rang. Divya and Swastik were there at the door. Manpreet called Gurnur excitedly. Gurnur came running and hugged them. Gurnur asked, "When did you come from the boarding school?" Swastik said, "Just yesterday. Where are your parents? We want to meet them." Manpreet and Gurnur's parents were at Gurudwara. Gurnur said, "We were about to go there too." "Oh, good. We will also come with you," said Divya. Divya, Swastik, Manpreet, and Gurnur all went to Gurudwara. Divya and Swastik stay in hostel. Gurnur asked, "You come only in the vacations. Do you like staying in your hostel? You must be missing your parents." Divya said, "We do miss them, but hostel life is fun. Even if we don't always like the food, we enjoy eating together with all the children. You know, when someone in our hostel gets homemade food, we all rush to their rooms. That food finishes within minutes," Swastik said laughingly. The children chatted all the way to Gurudwara. There they covered their heads. They went into the kitchen of the Gurudwara. It was very huge, as you can see in the picture. A lot of activities were going on there. Food was being cooked in huge vessels. In one vessel, chana and urad dal was boiling. As you can see in the picture, children, there are huge vessels in which different vegetables and dal are boiling. Children saw in another vessel cauliflower and potato was being made. Swastik said, "There is your Papa Gurnur. Let's go and meet him." "What are you doing here?" Manjit Singh was happy to see the children. "Uncle, can we also help in the kitchen?" "What are you preparing?" Swastik asked. Manjit Singh said, "I am preparing Kadha Prasad. It takes a lot of efforts to roast the flour in ghee in this big kadai." "This is a kind of halwa, isn't it? When will you add sugar in it?" Divya asked. "After roasting, sugar will be added," Manjit Singh said. They saw Manpreet's mother and rushed to meet her. Divya asked, "What are you doing, auntie?" "Beta, we are rolling chapatis to bake them in this tandoor." "So many chapatis at one go?" Divya was surprised. "Can I help?" "Sure, come and try. Here, everyone can help. But wash your hands first," replied auntie. Divya washed her hands and joined the group near the tawa. The tawa was very hot. She started applying ghee on the chapatis as they were being taken out of the tawa. Swastik wondered, who brings all the material to cook so much food? One of the ladies answered, "Everyone here contributes in some way or the other. Some arrange for the material, some give money, and other help in the work." After Ardas, Kadha Prasad was distributed. Some of the boys quickly laid out dharis in the veranda, and all the people sat down in rows to have langar. As you can see in the picture, children, everybody is sitting in the row. Some people served food and others served water. Everyone ate together. After finishing food, everyone picked up one's own plate and put it in a big drum. People who were serving ate in the end. They cleaned the place and washed the utensils. New terms. Hostel, a place where people can stay when they are living away from home. Kadha Prasad, it is a kind of halwa prepared by roasting flour in ghee. Langar, langar is a term used in Sikh religion for common kitchen where food is served in Gurudwara to all the visitors. Ardas, prayer to God. Gurudwara, holy place where Sikh go to pray. Dear kids, I hope the chapter is clear to you. Thank you.